अनि कता नि अझै खोइ अनि कान्छा खोइ बा विक्रम
नआउनु बस्नु बस्नु न यसमा ए म त्यसमा पनि राख्नुलाई यसमा
सुत्नुपर्छ बेलामा सुतेर
Just talking to Simon Dool before the match started. He's spoken about a few technical changes. Anything that you spot, Sunny ji?
Not really. I think it looks to me that he's probably
Kevin,
Sometimes,
you
you need to
How
be
is you want
just a little bit more positive.
म त खाइहाल्छु
That's what
गएर
he is. Looking to get to the bowler.
यहाँ भने होइन ठुलो क्या
Oh, those really offside.
18 रन
10
18
meters past the
18
circle. What a way to
18
finish
रन
the
थियो
over.
18
51 coming off it, 60 for 1 after 5.
हिजो बेलुका राति लगाएर आएको छु होइन राति राति लाग्छ मलाई प्रायः 10 बजी बच्चा पाउनु पाउने
He looks in great form. He is in a very positive ecosystem. He is Devdutt Padikkal. That's reflecting in the way he is batting.
Yeah, definitely worth another look. How the absolute screws.
Yeah, a bit too late maybe. Akshay Patel was hoping that he'll bring himself on much earlier. Last over of the power play. Oh, he thought that was going to hit the stumps directly. They didn't responded. KL Rahul maybe thought that the ball was going to come and hit the stumps.
There really wasn't a run, and then you can see where Padikkal was, which is the reason he thought that he would have been out.
I'm just not quite sure whether he was going to take the ball in front of the stumps or let it hit direct. Watch this side on view, this line here. He goes in front and then has to backtrack. There's KL Rahul.
Something's catching all the action. Giving you the best seat in the Did the ball swerve a bit? Just didn't understand what happened there because Samir Rizvi was shocked that he didn't take the ball and effect the run out. Didn't KL Rahul think that the ball was going to hit the stumps? Did it swerve? Too many things to look at.
I think initially he was trying to gather the ball in front of the stumps, but he's actually behind the stumps. The gather in front of the stumps, you're going to get either outside the stumps as a wicket keeper or in front. Yes, it does swerve. We're capable of catching.
9,000 IPL runs for the king. In fact, you should say on home soil because he comes from Delhi. And what a feat, what another cap to his already heavy sort of a head. He wears Virat Kohli.
पहिला पहिला त म बरु 5 बजे उठेर हैन बरु मुखबाट बडाल कुडाल गरेर पुसपास गरेर हैन आफूले गर्नुपर्ने कामले गरेर सुत्थे म बरु है अनि त्यसपछि पहिला त्यस्तो गर्थ्यो अहिले अब उठ्छु भन्दा मैले यस्तो भएको ठ्याक्कै थाहा भयो पेटमा आउँदाखेरि पनि त्यस्तै नि थियो के मलाई पनि चाँडो उठेर पढाएर कुरा गरेर पुस्तक सुरुमा त्यतिखेरदेखि मैले भर्खर हुँदादेखि अब थाहा नभएको है जति उठ्छु भने उड्न नसक्ने के आँखा खोल्न नसक्ने कानले टाक्ठो सुनिरहेको हुन्छ आँखा चाहिँ खोल्न नसक्ने त्यस्तो हुन्छ
जतिखेर गयो त्यस्तै दबाई दिँदो रहेछ जतिखेर डक्टर कहाँ खायो भने डक्टर छैन अनि डक्टरलाई फोन गर्ने होइन म्याच यस्तो मोबाइलले त्यो दबाई लेखेर दियो भने त्यो दबाई दिँदो रहेछ हामी पुरै उयो हुन्छ डक्टर नभए पनि इमर्जेन्सीमा पनि
बिहान अङ्गाल लगाउँछु नि अनि बरु नगरोस् त्यसले त्यसले बढाएर कुरा नगरोस् म गएर बिहानै उठेर मैले होइन चाँडो उठेर म गएर बढाएर कुरा गरेर पुछपाछ गरेर म फेरि गएर सुत्दिनँ उसले खाना बनाउने खाना खाना केही काम हुँदैन हुँदैन तर म त मस्त 8:30 9 बजे म सुत्दिनँ कहिले ससुरा आफूले गरेर काम गर्ने गरेर सुतिरहेको थियो नि त्यतिकै सुतेर बसेको एउटा कुरा खाना बनाउनु मेरो काम नै केही गर्ने अहिले चाहिँ अब 7:15 बजे अनि ढिलो मैले 7:30 बजे उठ्छु बिहान कान्छा एउटा हुन्छ बुढी मैले कहिले लगेर हुँदैन अनि कान्छालाई भात उडेर दिने हो खाना नखाइकन जान्छ अनि भात राख्यो कहिले काहीँ चाहिँ 14 दिन्छ सधैँ दिँदैन कहिले काहीँ चाहिँ 14 दिन्छ उतै खान्छ अरे क्या उतै खान्छ अरे
We've seen it play some super shots along the ground. Straight past the ball up. This one is gone up. Look at that. Straight over the top. And RCB romp home by 9 wickets.
Clinical, absolutely clinical from the defending champions. Set up by the bowlers, the two seamers of Bhuvaneshwar Kumar and Josh Hazelwood.
Thank you for watching.